Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be live today, Sunday, October the 17th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope you can join us for our weekly banter and conversation and whatever comes up that we will discuss. Have some news about my mother, which is a little disturbing for me. Walter had a really great week at a series of classes he went to that was run by a professional tailor. And yeah, what have I been working on? And how did Thanksgiving dinner go at my sister's? And hey, what's happening in the news here in Ontario? Vaccine passports are here, but there's some problems. Of course there are. So anyways, these are a bunch of things we're going to be talking about. It's kind of a random list, but then it is all the time, isn't it? So I hope you'll be able to join us. So that's today, October the 17th. Yeah, double check that. October the 17th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.